Hi. Today, we'll see how goldfish are turned into collagen sutures, capsules, and gels. Let's take a look step by step.
Maintain the current speed. We are seeing excellent stability.
Agreed. The specimens are adjusting well to the new environment.
The lipid levels are exactly where we want them.
Excellent. The growth rate projection is confirmed.
So let's review the updated hygiene protocols. Proper hand washing is critical, as is the sterile handling of all lab equipment.
We have to be careful here. The defatting process is critical for preserving the collagen matrix.
The pH adjust treatment is crucial for stabilizing the delicate proteins. The robotic arms ensure the goldfish collagen is gently mixed, facilitating an even extraction process. The initial filtration of the goldfish collagen-rich liquid removes all solid particles, resulting in the clear, purified solution. The collagen is carefully spread into the trays, ensuring an even consistency before the freeze drying. Inside the chamber, the goldfish collagen undergoes sublimation. The cold trap coils rapidly collect the moisture as ice.
If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Ultra Process Factory for more amazing processes.
Our Ghol Fish collagen powder is refined using advanced micronizers to achieve a perfectly uniform, fine texture.
The goldfish collagen solution is precisely extruded through these spinnerets.
We measure the tensile strength of the isolated collagen fibers, followed by microscopic analysis of their intricate structure. Utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, the Ghol Fish collagen is encapsulated with extreme precision in a sterile environment. This high-speed industrial machine accurately fills each softgel capsule with Ghol Fish collagen powder in a precise, sterile process.
Here we see the automated process of filling softgel capsules with Ghol Fish collagen powder.
The tensile strength meets the regulatory requirements, and the viscosity on the gel is perfect. We are clear for batch release.
Our automated line ensures precise filling and capping of the Ghol fish wound gel, maintaining aseptic conditions.
Our automated labeling machines ensure every jar of Ghol Fish Collagen receives precise batch and expiry information.
Once sorted, the Ghol Fish Collagen products are carefully stacked onto shipping pallets for transport.
Batch 7 completed. All units verified.
Confirmed. We can load these for shipment now.
The seal is secure, no signs of tampering.
Excellent. I'll log this as a pass for integrity and labeling.
Check the viscosity on lot 45B.
Looks consistent with the golden standard, Supervisor. Batch numbers match the manifest.